Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. This is Viprajesh. In this video today, I would like to talk about the new Skoda Slavia midsize sedan. Skoda India have officially revealed the brand new Skoda Slavia midsize sedan, which is going to replace the Rapid. Going by the initial impressions, the Skoda Slavia is going to be sleeker and sharper, and is also almost as large as the Honda City. The Slavia is the new midsize sedan, which is going to replace the Skoda Rapid in India and other global markets as well. This new Skoda midsize sedan will be based on the popular MQB A0 India-specific platform and will be longer than the current generation Skoda Rapid in India. This new Skoda Slavia midsize sedan is going to be 4,541 mm in length, 1,752 mm in width, and will have a height of 1,487 mm, which means the Slavia is going to be wider than the Honda City or the Hyundai Verna, while being only slightly shorter in length compared to the Honda City. That said, the Slavia will have segment-besting wheelbase at 2,651 mm. This new midsize sedan will also be 50 mm wider than the current generation Rapid, making the backseat area really spacious, while also improving the luggage space. Skoda India claims that the new Slavia will boast 521 liters of luggage space. In terms of design, the new Slavia carries forward a lot of design elements already seen on the Octavia and the Superb. At the center will be the large butterfly grille, surrounded by a chrome frame. The Slavia will offer sleek-looking crystalline LED headlamps with signature LED DRLs. The lower bumper will also feature some sharp creases and lines, with the fog lamps located in an edgy-looking housing. Just like the Skoda Superb, the bonnet will receive a lot of muscular creases, strengthening on the premium yet sporty looks. Moving towards the side profile, the Slavia features a coupe-like silhouette with a rising window line embellished with a chrome lining. Just like the Kushaq, the Slavia will also receive the Skoda badging on the front fenders, from which the sharp shoulder lines flow all the way to the tail lamps. The top-spec style variant of the Skoda Slavia will also offer 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels. The rear of the Slavia will also feature a sharply contoured rear bumper and sleek-looking sharp LED tail lamps. There will be no variant badging, however the Skoda branding will be located at the center on top of the number plate housing. Coming to the interior, the Slavia will feature an interior design and layout almost similar to that we have seen on the Skoda Kushaq. All features we have seen on the Skoda Kushaq will be present on the Slavia as well, including the 2-spoke steering wheel, the large 10-inch touchscreen system, touch-based automatic climate control, front ventilated seats, auto headlamps and wipers, tilt and telescopic adjustable steering wheel, and cruise control. However, the new Slavia will offer a more premium 8-inch fully digital TFT instrument cluster, an all-new triple-tone color theme for the interior, round AC vents at the ends of the dashboard, and all-new design leather seats for the front and back. The top-spec variants will also offer an electric sunroof and wireless charging facility. Talking about engine options, unlike the current generation Skoda Rapid, this new midsize sedan will offer 2 engine options, with the first one being the very same 1-liter 3-cylinder TSI turbo petrol, producing 115 PS of maximum power and 175 Nm of maximum torque through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. The second powertrain option will be the 1.5-liter 4-cylinder TSI turbocharged petrol engine, producing 150 PS of maximum power and 250 Nm of maximum torque through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. With this new 1.5-liter TSI turbo petrol motor, the Skoda Slavia is likely to be the most powerful midsize sedan in India. Skoda has revealed that the new Slavia will be available in 3 variants, namely the base level Active, the second level Ambition, and the top spec Style. The Slavia will also be available in 5 colors, namely the Candy White, the Brilliant Silver, Carbon Steel Grey, Tornado Red, and the Crystal Blue. Apart from the standard dual airbags with ABS and ISOFIX child seat mounts, the new Slavia will also offer vehicle stability management with traction control, multi-collision braking, electronic brake disc wiping, and electronic brake force distribution as standard across all variants. The top-spec Style variant will also get 6 airbags as standard. Finally, talking about the launch timeline, this new Skoda Slavia is likely to be launched in India in January for the new year 2022 and will go up against the likes of the new Honda City, Hyundai Verna, Maruti Suzuki Ciaz, and the upcoming Toyota Belta. Stay tuned for further updates on the new Skoda Slavia midsize sedan. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.